In this video, I'm going to show you how to flag photos in Lightroom Mobile quickly and easily, so you can organize your images faster and decide which photos are keepers and which ones should be rejected. This is a super useful workflow if you shoot a lot of photos and want a clean, simple way to sort them on your phone. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom Mobile tips and beginner-friendly editing guides. Let's jump right in. To flag a single photo, first open the photo you want to mark. Once the image is open, look for the Information button, which is the eye icon. Tap that eye button to open the photo details and options. From here, you'll see the flagging choices. If the photo is one you want to keep, choose Flag as Pick. This is usually shown with a check mark, so you can think of it as your selected or approved photo. If the photo is not usable, blurred, or just not the one you want, choose Flag as Reject. This is marked with an X, and it helps you quickly separate the photos you want to delete or skip later. That's the easiest way to flag one photo at a time in Lightroom Mobile. Now let's look at how to flag multiple photos at once, which is even faster when you're reviewing a whole shoot. Start from the Library view, which is the starting page where all of your photos are shown. In this view, tap and hold on one photo, then select additional images that you want to flag together. Once your photos are selected, tap the I button at the bottom of the screen. This opens the same info and options panel, but now it applies to all of the selected photos at once. From here, choose the flag you want to apply, either Pick or Reject. Lightroom Mobile will then mark all of those photos with the same flag, saving you a lot of time compared to doing each one individually. This is especially helpful after events, portraits, travel shoots, or anytime you have a large batch of photos to review. A good workflow is to flag your best images as picks first, then go back and mark the unusable ones as rejects. That way your gallery becomes much easier to manage. If you ever change your mind, you can always go back into the photo and update the flag later. So to recap, for one photo, open it, tap the I button, and choose Flag as Pick or Flag as Reject. For multiple photos, go to the Library view, press and hold to select multiple images, tap the bottom I button, and apply your flag to the whole group. And that's how to flag photos in Lightroom Mobile the fast and simple way. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom Mobile tutorials, editing tips, and workflow shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.